All right, guys. So I've just entered into a trade, and it's a short trade. I've set my stop loss and my take profit target, and all the indicators were in alignment. This told me that I could enter short, and so we entered short. And I'll be monitoring this trade until it plays out, so I'll come back soon. And I'm back, and I've placed the trade on my chart. So I can see that this trade played out perfectly from there down to here. The profit is $1,115 in just over 3 hours. Not bad. Guys, I'm on the Euro US dollar 15-minute chart. I'm about to enter a sell trade, and I'll do that now. And I've set my stop loss over here, entered here, and that's my take profit target. All the indicators had lined up telling me that I can go short, so I've entered a short trade here. And now I'm going back just to wait and see how this trade plays out, and I'll be back. So I'm back, and I see that within just a few hours we've hit our target. We entered here, and we got our take profit hit here. So that made $2,510 in this quick, easy trade. Thanks for watching.